Hello children, welcome to today's session. Okay, in this session we are going to learn about subtraction and subtraction fact. I hope everyone completed your home fun. Everyone take Max Studio, take pencil along with you. Yes, we can go to this session. Now take your studio, take page number 54. Look around activity. Okay, we are going to see the look around activity 3.10. This is a home fun for you. Now I will explain. Okay, so you want to find the number of students in your class and two other classes. Okay, so you want to find the number of students in your class and the other two classes. Find the total number of students in all the three classes. So they're asking for three classes. Total number of students. Okay, total means you want to do the addition. See here, first they have given number of students in your class. In your class, total number of students you want to take and write. Okay, here example I have given 37. Number of students in two more classes. Two more classes means in other two sections, how many students are there that you want to take and write here. Okay, yes. What they are asking, total number of students in three classes. So total means you want to do the addition and sit along with your parents, and this is a home fun. Complete this activity. Next we are going to see the think and ink activity 3.11. Okay, page number 55. Here see, listen. At the Indian high school, a cricket tournament was held between the green team and yellow team. Okay, so a cricket tournament was going to held between green team and yellow team. Two teams are there in Indian high school. They played two matches. Okay, so both the teams played two matches. The runs scored they have given. See, this is the match one and they have given the runs. And match 2, how many runs they scored, they also given. Okay, match 1, how many runs they scored, green team 38, yellow team 27. In match 2, green team they scored 49 runs, yellow team 65 runs. Here see, how much did each team score in total? Okay, in total, how much they score they are asking. So total means you want to do the addition. Okay, so total all together. These words represent addition. See, green team. So green team they have given runs scored in match 1. So in match 1, green team how many runs they scored? 38. That you want to take and write 38. Okay, runs scored in match 2. In match 2, green team how many runs they scored? 49. That you want to take and write 49. So total runs scored you want to do the addition plus symbol. Okay, yes. So 8 plus 9, 17, 7, carry over 1 here, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, yes. See now yellow team they have given runs scored in match 1. So here yellow team in match 1, how many runs scored yellow team? 27 you want to take and write. So in match 2, yellow team scored 65 runs you want to take and write. Total runs scored. Okay, so you want to do the addition. Okay, 7 plus 5. So you can leave 7 fingers in your hand, 7 in the mind and 5 in the fingers. Okay, if you do the addition, 12 will be coming to carry over 1. And 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. Okay, so total runs scored 99. See here, which team scored the most number of runs in the tournament? In both the teams, see, green team scored 87 runs and yellow team scored 92 runs. Which team scored more runs? Yes, very good, yellow team. So yellow team scored more runs. Okay, so you want to write here yellow team. So pause the video and you can do the addition by yourself also. Okay, pause the video and you can write. Now listen, we are going to learn about subtraction. Okay, so what is meant by subtraction means taking away. Okay, what is meant by subtraction? Subtraction means taking away from another. Taking away from another. Subtraction fact we are going to see in this session. Okay, see, subtraction means I will give 10 chocolates to you. Okay. So how many chocolates? 10 chocolates. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So totally you have 10 chocolates. Okay. In this, out of 10, I will take 5. Okay. I will take away 5 chocolates. So take away means we can cancel. Okay. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chocolates I took away. So remaining how many chocolates are there? Count and tell me. Yes, very good. 5 chocolates. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So totally you have 10 chocolates. In this, out of 10, okay, I will take 5 from you. Okay, I will take 5 from you. Okay, so remaining how many chocolates you will be having? 5. Yes, very good. Superb. Okay, so here 10 chocolates I have drawn totally. In this out of 10, if I took away 5 chocolates, okay, I will strike out. I have took 5 chocolates. So remaining how many chocolates are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so only 5 chocolates you will be having. So this we call it as a subtraction. Okay, this we call it as a subtraction. Now children, everyone take your studio book page number 56. We are going to see the PEP activity. Okay, PEP activity 3.12. See here, Adam had 9 keys. Okay, Adam had 9 keys. If he gave away 4 keys, how much he is giving away? 4 keys. How many keys will remain with him? So how many keys will remain with him? So this means we call it as a subtraction. See here, total number of keys, how many they gave? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 keys are there. So Adam had 9 keys. If he gave away 4 keys, okay, we are taking away 4 keys. So strike out 4 keys. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 keys taking away. So remaining how many keys he will be having? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 keys he will be having. Okay, this can be written as a subtraction fact. See, they itself given subtraction fact as 9 keys minus 4 keys. So subtraction means the minus symbol. So it means that taking away means subtraction. You want to do the subtraction. So 9 keys minus 4 keys. How many keys we have remaining? 5 keys. That you want to write in this box. 5 keys. Okay. See, subtraction fact like this also you can take and write. See the number 9. So this is the subtraction fact. Okay. So one strings you want to mention on the top of the numbers. So 9 keys. So totally how much Adam had? 9 keys that you want to write here. And how much he is taking away? 4 keys. Okay, that you want to write in ones place. 4 keys. So taking away means what I said? Subtraction. So you want to do the subtraction. Okay. So taking away means subtraction. So minus symbol you want to put here. Okay. So 9 minus 4. So how many keys he had? The remaining keys 5. Okay. Otherwise you can draw the lines. See here. So 9 means. So you can draw the lines. Okay, 9 means you can draw the 9 lines. So 4, you want to take away 4. You want to subtract 4. That means you just strike out 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. So how many lines remaining you have? 5 lines. So that is the answer. 5 you want to write. This is we call it as a subtraction fact. Like this also you can write, and this also you call it as a subtraction fact. 9 keys minus 4 keys. Okay. Yes. See next. What is mean by subtraction? Taking away a number from another is called subtraction. Spell along with me. SUBTRACTION. Subtraction. Repeat once again. SUBTRACTION. Subtraction. Okay. See another activity 3.13. subtract the given sets of numbers. They are asking us to subtract, and see 5 minus 2 they have given. You want to take and write like this. So ones place, tens place you want to mention, and this number 5 you want to write in ones place. 5 take and write, and 2 also you want to write in ones place only. Okay, and write 2 and you want to put the minus symbol. You want to do the subtraction. So like 5 means you can draw the 5 lines. Okay, so draw the 5 lines, and how much you want to taking away? 2. So you want to strike out 2. Strike out 2. So how many lines we have remaining? 3 lines. Okay, so that is the answer. So 5 minus 2 will be getting the answer 3. Okay, like this you have to do the remaining 2 sums. See here, 6 minus 3. So you want to take and write the number 6 and 3 here. And draw the 6 lines and strike out. How many lines you want to strike out? Yes, very good. 3 lines. 3 lines you want to strike out. And how many remaining lines you have? Yes, 3. So 3 is the answer you want to write. Okay, like that 9 minus 1 also you want to do this. Okay, now see the fourth sum. Take page number 57. 28 minus 10. Before we saw only single digit, only one digit, but here 2 digit they have given. So you want to take and write the numbers here. So 28, the first number you want to take and write 28 minus 10. So you want to take and write 10. See here, ones place, tens place you want to mention. Okay, in ones place 8 is the number you have. So 8 minus 0, 8 is the answer. So whatever number you have, if you subtract 0 from the given number, you will be getting the same number. Okay, so 8 minus 0, 8 only you will be getting. Next, 2 minus 1. Okay, you can draw the lines here. Either you can draw the lines 2 and you want to subtract 1. So you just strike out one line. And what is the answer? How many lines you have remaining? 1. So 1 is the answer. So totally, what is the answer? 18 is the answer. In ones place, 8 minus 0, 8. And in tens place, 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, you can draw the lines and you can strike out how many you want to taking away. Okay, the remaining lines will be the answer for you. Like that, see the second sum. 47 minus 14. Okay, so take and write the numbers. First number 47 and second number 14. Okay, in ones place, whenever you are doing the sums, first you want to start with the ones place. In ones place, see here 7 they have given, 4. So 7 minus 4 means you can draw the lines. See here, draw the lines. Okay, draw 7 lines and you want to strike out 4. So strike out 4. What is the remaining lines? 1, 2, 3. So you can write here 3. Okay, like this you can do the subtraction. Yes, in tens place, what is the number 4? So you can draw the 4 lines here. And you want to subtract 1. Okay, so from 4 lines, if you subtract 1 line, what is the remaining lines? 3 lines you will be having. Okay, you want to write here 3. Like this, you can do the third sum also. Okay, draw the lines and you can do the subtraction. And see here, in tens place, there is no number. They didn't give the number. See, just they have given the number 9 alone. This means that only ones place you want to write the number. You should not write in the tens place. Okay, that you will be very careful. So in tens place there is no number. Either you can put 0, otherwise you can leave it as it is. Okay, I said 9 minus 9. You can draw the 9 lines, and if you strike out 9 means you will be getting the 0 answer only. And 5 minus 0. Okay, so 5 minus 0, 5 only. See this sum, 8 minus 0, the same answer you will be getting. Like that, from 5, if you subtract no number, 0 means there is no number. So the same number only answer. Okay, now it's the time for home fun. Take your companion book. Now take page number 18. Okay, now take page number 18 and see, subtract the given sets of numbers. They have given the numbers and you want to do the subtraction. Okay, sit along with your parents and complete this home fun. Okay, after completing this, upload in Chrysalis home app. Now listen here, one example sum. See, this is a subtraction fact, we call it as, and from 70, okay, we want to subtract the number 14. Okay, whenever you are doing the sum, you want to mention ones place and tens place. Okay, so in ones place, see here, from 0 can you subtract 4? From 0 you cannot subtract 4. Okay, so what you have to do, you want to borrow from the tens place. Okay, you want to borrow from the tens place, and if you borrow from 10, here you will be getting 1. Okay, 1 tens you will be getting. So 1 tens means here you will be having 10. Okay, here you will be having only 6, because from tens, 1 tens you gave to for ones place. Okay, so in tens place you will be having only 6. So in tens place, from 1 tens you are giving to ones place. So here you will be having only 6 tens. Okay, now in ones place you can do the subtraction. From 10 you want to do the, from 10 subtract 4. Okay, so draw the 10 lines. Okay, so draw the 10 lines and you want to subtract 4. 4 means just strike out 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. So how many lines are remaining? Count until 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 lines are there. So that is the answer. You want to take and write 6. Okay, and see here from 6 you want to subtract 1. Like this also you can draw the lines, 6 lines, and you just strike out 1 line. So remaining how many lines you will be having? 5. Yes, very good. So 5 is the answer. Okay, so what is the answer? 56 is the answer for this sum. So from 70 you are subtracting 14. So here from 0 you cannot subtract 4. Okay, so what we are doing, you are borrowing from tens place. You are borrowing from tens place. So you will be getting 1 tens in ones place. So in tens place the number will become 6, because you gave 1 tens to ones place. So you will be having only 6. Okay, now you can subtract from 10 minus 4. So draw the 10 lines and strike out 4 lines. So 10 minus 4 you will be getting 6. And in tens place you have the number 6 and you want to subtract 1. So 6 minus 1, 5. Like that you can draw the 6 lines and strike out 1 line. So how many lines you will be having remaining? 5 lines. So that is the answer. So 56 is the answer for this sum. Okay. Now see this sum. So 36 is the number and you want to subtract the number 17. Okay. So from 6 you cannot subtract 7. So what you have to do? So you want to borrow. You want to get from the tens place. Okay. So from tens place, if you get 1 tens, what it will become? It will become 16. Okay. So here in tens place, it will become the number 2, because you gave 1 tens to ones place. So in tens place, you will be having only 2 tens. Okay. So totally you have 3 tens. In that 3, you gave 1 tens to ones place. So you will be having only 2 tens. In ones place, the number 6 will become 16. Okay. Now you can subtract the number 7 from 16. Before that, from 6, you cannot subtract the greatest number 7. So you are getting borrow from tens place, and now the number becomes 16. Now 16 minus 7. So draw the 16 lines, and how many lines you want to strike out? 7. Okay. So strike out the lines 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many lines are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 lines are there. So what is the answer here? 9. Okay. So 9 is the answer. Now 2 minus 1. So from 2 you want to subtract 1. So 2 minus 1, 1. So 19 is the answer for this sum. Okay, like this you can do the subtraction sums. Okay. Now take page number 57. See here. Rama has 2 eggs in her shop. A boy asks for 5 eggs. How many eggs is Rama left with? So he has only 2 eggs. Okay, from 2 can he take 5 eggs? No, this is not possible. Okay, was it possible to subtract 5 eggs from 2? No, you cannot subtract. So you want to tick the answer no. See, listen here, under this sentence we can take away a number of objects only from a larger quantity or from an equal quantity. Okay, so from a larger quantity only you can take away. Otherwise, equal quantity you can take away. Okay, suppose if he have 5 eggs, you can take away 5 eggs. Like that you can do. Otherwise, from larger quantity only you can take. Suppose this boy have 7 eggs. Okay, out of 7 you can take away 5 eggs. That you can take. But here only 2 eggs he have in his shop. Okay, so you cannot take away 5 from 2. So this is not possible. Okay, so you want to put the tick option for no. Okay. Okay children, complete your home fun and upload in the Chrysalis home app. Okay, we can see in the next session. Bye.